Tasks Explained. Today, we'll show you everything you need to know to get familiar with tasks. Our task feature helps you manage your to-dos and ensures that everyone, including you, stays on top of things. Tasks not only inform you about your upcoming agenda, but also about what the rest of your team is working on. Let's take a look at how tasks work. First, we're going to create one. You can do this by clicking the New button on the top left side and selecting Task. Let's say we need to review the tax return of one of our accounts. I will start by adding the account, linking it to a job, adding a template, and assigning it to myself or one of my colleagues. I can also set the priority and status, add a description, tags, and account notes, attach documents if necessary, and set start and end dates. Additionally, I could make this task recurring and add subtasks to list the jobs that had to be done manually. If you want to create tasks for several clients in bulk, you can create them from the Client section by selecting the checkbox, then click More Actions and choosing Create Task. Let's see what we can do with tasks in our pipelines. In this case, we're selecting the bookkeeping one. We will first add a job. We click on it, and then we go to the Task section. There's only one task for this stage, and from here we can change the assignees and status. You can also link another task to this job here. Click the Link button on the top right and select Task. You can link any task previously sent to the client. Once both tasks are completed, the job card will automatically move to the next stage. Now that you have learned how to create tasks, let's explore where to locate all of them. You can view the task list from the Workflow section under the Task page. You can see all the tasks assigned to you under your name. You can also see all tasks and change their status, priority, and assignee, or even add another one. During busy periods, the task list might get overwhelming. To resolve this, you can filter tasks by assignee, account, pipelines, tags, status, priority, and etc. For instance, filter by high priority. In conclusion, our task feature is a powerful tool that helps you and your team stay organized and on top of your to-dos. Now you know you can create, assign, and track tasks from various sections of TaxDome. So start using tasks today and take your productivity to the next level. Thanks for watching.